Good morning, 10 percenters. This is Michael with Trading Escapes. You can find us at tradingescapes.com. It is Tuesday, January 8th, 2019. We are back at it again, trading some stocks, trading our beta names, AMD and MU, looking for a little profit in the market, seeing what we can get going. All of December was the December of discipline. We are continuing that into January. These first 2 weeks of January, basically trading or trying to trade consistently the same way that we traded in January. And then we're gonna do a couple little changes the last couple weeks of January. So we got about 10 minutes to the bell. We're gonna refill the coffee cup. Hope everybody's doing well this morning and ready to have a nice, a nice trading day. I hope you got some good setups, some strategies, some plans in mind. You have an idea, execution, and management that you're following. I hope you've created a series of trades that you want to follow, and maybe over a week, over a month, to see if you can't profit from that. Make sure you always watch your position size. Especially if you're new, use small size. The only thing we're trading right now is we don't want to pay to trade, so we're trying to cover commission. So that's basically the goal. 2, 1. There's the bell. Market's open. As always, we're just looking to mark off our levels this morning, getting a pull down. Both MU and AMD first thing out of the gate. I've got the Fibonacci drawing up. We're not trading Fibonacci retracements, but I'm just using the drawing tool as a marker for range. So from 100 to the 23.6 level is 50 cents. From 0 to the 76.4 level is 50 cents. So we can just sort of have a better marker and a better tool to manage where we're going, what the ranges look like. So far, MU and AMD are trading just alike. Nothing significant to really talk about. And our trigger level right here is 23. The SPY is relatively slow. Pulling it up on another chart, it's not having any big moves. Nice consistent pull down on AMD this morning. There's MU. MU's putting in a candle to the downside now. Came down to the 50 level, pulled back up to the 68. Don't have any strong confirmation on any level right now. Again, our trigger's down here at 50 cents at the 23.6 level. MU's trading sideways. Changing up on us a little bit, going the other direction. Still nothing to get excited about. Just sitting tight. Pre-market was, had a little gap up here, consolidated sideways, a little pull up in the morning here. The market's, the SPY is, it's a couple candles to the upside, now it's putting some candles to the downside. Looking rather slow, I must say. Excuse me. All right. Okay. We're gonna have to be careful, pick a good spot. I mean, MU is just completely. Look at this. Back up here a little bit. MU's making a little jump to the downside. Pulled down to the 50, so it's ran 25 cents to the downside now. SPY is sideways. MU's putting a pretty good move in. Came down here. See if we can get back up to pull back up to this 50 level. It's 18. It just jumped on us. So we just triggered. Big pullback. We took an entry to the downside on MU as it broke our trigger. Seems to want to run. AMD is still consolidating. It's going to pull back on us. AMD's doing nothing for us. And there's the pullback in MU. Just going to hold that move, and it's just putting up a fight. That whole dollar level is really, really holding it up. It just broke through it there. See what we're going to do here if we're going to get that pull back. And out of the MU trade with a profit of $89. AMD just hit our trigger. Triggers at 69. Looking for that pullback up to 79. SPY's putting in a huge green move. Got to be careful here. Breaking 79. I think we may be still watching the 69 level back at trigger. Very cautious here. Just took off a little bit. MU's trading sideways. Probably had a decent exit getting out of that. See what it's going to do. SPY still putting in it's putting in its 5th green 1 minute candle. MU's looking like. All right, we're going to go short on AMD. If it gets down to that level. MU's putting a little strength in. SPY is turned, putting in a 2nd red candle. And I don't know if we'll get back down to that level. This is where you start to feel like the sentiment is just the wrong direction. Like I'm looking to short, looking to short, looking to short. We just came up to the 50. So we've retraced back up to the 50. And I'm in short. Big sellers at 2070. Buyers, I mean. Sorry, buyers. Again, 27. Oh, it cracked 2070. That's good. Good for us. Down to 68. Huge red candle on the SPY now. Gotten back down to the 23 level. Just cracked down through that. Pulling down hard. and out as we bounce off of this 0 level right here. So we're jumped out of there up 180. Making a little recovery. We had a couple big candles on the SPY to the downside. Now it's making a little bit of a recovery. The MU is actually making a move back up to 20. Oh, we just cracked that 54 level. All right, we'll put it on pause for a little bit and just to, come see what happened. But I think we're done. We've taken 2 trades. We're up $269 for the day. So let's pause and just let this play out for a little bit, and we'll see what's going on. All right, 10%ers. I think we're going to wrap it up. I almost got in for another trade right here as we started failing the this 50 level here. I tried to get in at 75. I didn't get filled. The trade was from 75 down to this 58 level, so we've hit 59, so close. But again, we didn't get filled, so we left it. That's going to do it. We're up $269 for the day, so another green day. We'll put it in the books and, start planning and getting better and studying. That's what the rest of the day is about. So if you have another job, you got to focus on that. Whenever you can, study, practice, train, learn. That's what it's all about. So, this stuff takes years to master. It takes years to know exactly what you're doing before you're just, flying blind and throwing money to other people. So, have a great day. Hope you're in the 10%, and we will talk to you tomorrow.